Good morning. It is Dave with Sell House, Ohio, and I have my friend Diana here with me today. And today we bought Diana's house. Diana, how are you today?
Sad. We're sad
Sad.
losing our house.
Are you
Yeah.
sad but happy at the same time?
You want to know what? We're relieved. We're relieved.
Relieved.
Yeah, we're very relieved. My husband especially is relieved that we got rid of the house. It's so much work for him. That's
Yeah.
what the issue is.
And you're on the road quite a bit. I mean, you and I have been working together for about a month, through this process. And I know you drive truck for a living. So you were in New Mexico sometimes, you were in Arizona sometimes, you're all over the place. Um, so I'm glad we were able to get this done. And how was your experience working with me and working with our company, Sell House Ohio?
Well, I'm here to sell Dave because Dave was very kind, always open to suggestions, always helpful, out there to help me. And I felt very comfortable and happy with you.
Awesome.
And I got more than I asked for. I'm a lot happier.
Excellent. Yeah, we want to put a little extra in there, and if there's room, we always want to serve you the best we possibly can. And what would you say to somebody else who maybe had a house that they wanted to sell quickly and painlessly?
Well, actually, this was so painless that it was scary. It was kind of scary because it was very simple. We didn't have to run out and hire people. We didn't have to do, lawyers or anything like that. We were very nervous at first, but honestly, we're very happy, and I think that we would recommend it to other people. We would.
Excellent. Well, if you see our video, you can find us sellhouseohio.com. I'm Dave Payerchin. Diana, it's been a pleasure working with you. And thank you very much. We will talk to you on the next video.
Love your card though that I got in the mail. Thank you.